everyone, this is Teacher Jane of Teach Talk, where learning is fun and easy. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified in our next videos. Today, we are going to talk about an app that will help us during this pandemic with just our phones and the internet. Staysafe.ph is the Philippines' official contact tracing, social distancing, and health condition reporting to mitigate the spread of any infectious diseases. All Filipinos can download this digital bayanihan system by downloading the app on Google Play Store if you are an Android user, or in the App Store if you are an iOS user. Or you can register in their official site, which is Staysafe.ph. Ito ay makakatulong sa mga frontliners, especially sa contact tracing upang maiwasan ang paglaganap ng virus. Pero disclaimer lang po, ang app na ito ay hindi makakapag-test kung positive or negative ka sa COVID-19 at hindi rin ito makakapag-test kung ang katabi mo o yung kaharap mong tao ay positive din sa COVID-19. How to install and use the Staysafe app on your Android phone. First, you go to Play Store. Five minutes. If you've received You will be asked to check whether you are feeling the symptoms they have written down, like cough, fever, fatigue. They also have runny nose, shortness of breath, and others. If you are not feeling any of the symptoms, you just click none of the above and click Save. On your profile, you can see that you are in good condition. You have a timeline, summary, links, and members. On your timeline, you can see the people that you have interacted with. Then, on the summary, you can see the total number of people that you have contacted or interacted with, who may be confirmed for COVID-19, probable for COVID-19, suspected for COVID-19, who are in mild condition or severe condition. In the Link tab, you can see people around you who are using the Staysafe.ph app. You can also add your family members in the Members tab. If you want to help, you can click the Help button. Then you will be asked to enter your name, your email address, and the way that you want to help. And if you want to leave a short message, you can also write it down. If an LGU or any health establishment asks for a health check or for contact tracing purposes, you can show your registrant QR code, just like this one. You can also scan the QR code of other Staysafe.ph app users. And if you encounter a non-smartphone user, you just need to enter a passcode, then click Send. Going back to the Home tab, you can see your settings on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You can edit your code name, your company, municipality, your password, and your PIN. And if you need immediate help, the Philippines Department of Health COVID hotline is provided for you. Another amazing thing about this app is that it has real-time COVID-19 updates. It provides the number of confirmed, recovered, deaths, probable, and suspects in the Philippines and even worldwide. As of today, June 30, 2020, there are 36,438 cases in the Philippines, and there are more than 10 million cases in the whole world. If you are not fond of looking at numbers, they also provide a world map. In this world map, we can scan through the countries. For example, I click on Philippines. Upon clicking, I can see the confirmed cases and even the recovered and deaths. If you want a 3D version of the world map, you can click their 3D visualizer. Using that feature, you just need to click on the country, and then you can see the confirmed cases, recovered cases, and deaths. If you want to explore and know more about the status of other countries during this pandemic, you can just swipe around the globe and click on a specific country you want to go to.